Merong nagtanong kung ano daw yung ginagamit kong curling iron for my hair. And let me answer that question. I'm using Genai curling iron na binili ko sa Timo before. And I only paid like 10 pounds for this. Pero nung chinek ko ngayon, wala na siya sa website. Parang hindi ko na siya makita. Pero meron namang ibang mga alternatives. And then I check AliExpress as well. Meron ding mga alternatives. So what I suggest is just look for curling iron and then tingnan nyo yung reviews. Kung maganda yung review, then that means okay siya. And just make sure na yung reviews is madami. Hindi lang yung isa kasi minsan yung mga seller lang yan yung nagre-review tapos sinalagyan nila ng perfect review. Pero kung madami na talaga, like mga 200 ang bumili, and then it's like 4.5 and above, then I would usually trust it. And I have been using AliExpress for a really long time. Nasa Pilipinas pa lang ako, ginagamit ko na siya maybe 10 years ago. Actually, meron din yung sa TikTok shop pero mas mahal lang siya. Anyway, for this device, meron siyang apat na temperature. 150, 170, 190, and then the highest is 210. And I use the 190 degrees Celsius for my hair. Dalawa yung directions niya for curling. Merong clockwise and then merong counterclockwise. Kahit ano naman yung gamitin mo, as long as you take note of what direction did you use for every side. Medyo mahirap siyang gamitin at first, pero actually, masasanay ka na lang as long as you keep on doing it and keep on trying. Bale, kailangan mo lang kumuha ng a little piece of your hair, tapos ipasok mo siya sa mouth opening ng device. Ilolong press mo lang yung button until all the hair is inside na. And then once you release the button, then it will start to count 15 seconds. Tapos mag-beep siya, and then when it beeps, then you have to just remove it from your hair like that. So this is the final result. Usually I spend like 20 minutes to do my hair. Yung problema lang dito is it's not very long lasting. Pag malamig or sobrang mahangin, medyo nag-i-straighten siya. So pagbalik ko, straight na siya. Especially pag lower settings ng temperature yung ginamit mo. But anyway, that's it for today. Bye!